Yeah, I parked way too close to this door. So, what exactly is a laser parking assistant? It's a small device that projects a laser beam into your garage, showing you exactly where to stop. It's a simple but brilliant tool that can save you from a lot of garage mishaps. I have a link in the description for this laser parking assistant. Alright, let's get this thing installed. It's a quick, easy process, and I'll walk you through it. Okay, you might need some screws and some drywall expanders, a drill, and a screwdriver. Oh yeah, and a pencil. We're going to put this right between the two cars. Oh yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that like button for me. Keep this properly oriented with the motion sensor facing the garage door. Second, measure where your car usually stops. You'll want to install the laser directly above where your car's windshield will be. Once you've marked the spot, drill 3 pilot holes and mount the bracket. Now install these drywall expanders. And then mount the bracket. Next, attach the laser unit to the base plate, angling it so it points down to where the cars will park. Now, plug it in, or if your laser uses batteries, pop those in and the laser should turn on right away. Now I'm coming in with a staple gun. Here's the important part. Park your car where you want it to stop, and then adjust the laser so that it hits the specific point on your dashboard. That way, when the laser reaches that spot, you'll know exactly when it's time to hit the brakes. Right there. And now, moving on to the second vehicle. Let's get this laser directly pointed to the dashboard. So, if you're looking for an easy way to make parking less stressful, grab a laser parking assistant and give it a try. I promise you won't regret it.